So do you remember how I didn't quite win that Gabb Ambassador competition, but instead I got a job? Well, Nathan Myers and I have worked out some of the details. And we've decided that the show will be called Gabb Labs, and the first episode will be filmed on the 14th of June. So the official first episode filming date is June 14th, 2021. So after my mom and I fill out the contract and all that garb, that will allow Nathan Myers and I to produce videos for 10 months. At the end of those 10 months, we evaluate our progress and see how good we're doing. If the show is very successful and people are really liking it, we continue to produce videos. If we get crickets, it's game over and there's no more production of Gabb Labs. So let's hope we don't get crickets, because I'm really liking this idea of Gabb Labs and producing science videos for kids, because I mean, I guess a kid could watch my videos, but they're less do at home. So yeah, I think Gabb Labs is going to be a very nice addition to Gabb Wireless, and that's also going to be a very nice addition to my Plasma Prince channel. So anyway, stay tuned. Thank you very much, you guys.